In this video, we will learn how to remove extension in Google Chrome. So let's start. Open your Google Chrome and click on the three dot menu in the right corner and click here the extension option and click the manage extension. Okay, here you can see the all extension those are added in your Google Chrome. So if you want to remove it, just click on the remove and click on the remove. That's it. The extension is uninstall, it's remove from your Google Chrome. You can give the feedback also. So not available. And next, I just enter here not required. And click on the next. Successfully uninstall. Okay, it's done. If you want to remove second one, just click on the remove and remove. Okay, so this is a way you can remove the extension in your Google Chrome. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.